Hey there, home cooks! Welcome back to another exciting cooking adventure. Ready to master the art of ratatouille in just 3 minutes? Let's dive right in and make this classic French dish together. First things first, you'll need some fresh veggies. Freshness is key to bringing out the best flavors. Grab an eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, red bell pepper, and a couple of tomatoes. These vibrant vegetables will make your dish not only tasty, but also visually stunning. Don't forget the onion and garlic for that extra flavor punch. These aromatics will elevate your ratatouille to the next level. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your dish will cook evenly and thoroughly. While that's warming up, slice your veggies into thin rounds. Take your time to make sure each slice is perfect. Aim for about a quarter-inch thick. This thickness is ideal for even cooking and a delightful texture. Consistency is key here, folks. Uniform slices ensure that every bite is balanced and delicious. This will ensure even cooking and a beautiful presentation. A well-arranged dish is always more appealing. Now take your baking dish and spread a thin layer of tomato sauce on the bottom. This forms the flavorful base of your ratatouille. You can use homemade or store-bought, whatever you prefer. Homemade sauce can add a personal touch, but store-bought works just as well in a pinch. Add a couple of minced garlic cloves and chopped onions to the sauce. These ingredients will infuse the sauce with rich, savory flavors. This is where the magic begins. Mixing these ingredients creates a robust base for your vegetables. Time to arrange the veggies. This step is all about creativity and precision. Alternate the slices of eggplant, zucchini, yellow squash, red bell pepper, and tomatoes. This creates a beautiful, colorful pattern. Create a colorful spiral or rose, whatever suits your style. Both methods look fantastic and taste great. Remember, we eat with our eyes first. A visually appealing dish is always more enticing. Once your veggies are beautifully arranged, drizzle some olive oil over the top. This adds richness and helps the vegetables cook perfectly. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a few fresh thyme leaves for that herbaceous touch. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the vegetables. Cover the dish with parchment paper, cut to fit just inside the dish. This step is crucial for retaining moisture. This helps to keep everything moist and tender while baking. The parchment paper acts as a lid, trapping steam and flavors. Pop it in the oven and let it bake for about 45 to 50 minutes. This gives the vegetables time to soften and meld together. You'll know it's done when the veggies are tender and the sauce is bubbling around the edges. The aroma will be irresistible. While it's baking, let's make a quick basil pesto to drizzle on top. This pesto adds a fresh, vibrant finish to the dish. In a blender, combine a handful of fresh basil leaves, a clove of garlic, a tablespoon of pine nuts, and a drizzle of olive oil. These ingredients blend into a flavorful, aromatic pesto. Blend until smooth, adding more olive oil as needed to reach your desired consistency. The pesto should be smooth and slightly thick. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Adjust the seasoning until it's just right. Once your ratatouille is out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes. This allows the flavors to settle and makes it easier to serve. Then, drizzle the basil pesto over the top for an extra burst of flavor and color. The pesto adds a fresh, herby note that complements the roasted vegetables. And there you have it. A delicious, vibrant ratatouille that's sure to impress anyone at your table. Perfect as a side dish or a main course with some crusty bread. The bread is great for soaking up all that delicious sauce. Remember, the key to a great ratatouille is fresh ingredients and a little bit of love. Taking the time to prepare each component with care makes all the difference. Thanks for tuning in, and happy cooking. Enjoy your homemade ratatouille and the joy of cooking from scratch. See you next time for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Bon appetit!